SPG events in Patna Sari. So seeing after 30 years. So 30 years is such a long time. So I'm happy to wear that sari. Amma's order, another sari, and best sari. So I was insisting in the blue color, yellow, green color. I was particular about so many colors. Ipo enkitanna sari neenga ketana kundu maate, but she gave that sari. I'm really happy. I want to say sorry to her, but I'll cherish this. In Amma pola irukonu. I love you.
My mother-in-law, my second mother. This dress, what I worn today, is from one of her collections in the wardrobe. She readily agreed and she was more happy. She herself took out some 2-3 sarees for me and she arranged the pictures also. Her love and warmth made me feel like I belonged and she's always treated me like her own daughter. I'm grateful for the values she has instilled in her sons and I'm blessed to be a part of this wonderful family. So that saree was gifted by my father. That was last gift from him. It was a couple of months before he passed away. That was the last memory of his exam. The memory now called me upon my exam. Enjoy. You won't do that. Yes, I will. That is what he said. Managing without you is very difficult. Whenever I started my career, Appa and Amma, and over 10 years, Appa was both Appa and Amma. I missed it.
It was originally my grandmother's sari. After she passed away, it was passed on to my mother, who kept it safely with love. Now, wearing it feels like carrying both my grandmother's and my mother's love. It is only my grandmom who grew me up from little. So I had loved her so much. When I was in 12th, she had passed away. At night when I used to sleep, she used to tell me stories. Now I want to relive that moment.
So despite that now, this is very close to my heart because it was on my son's first birthday and it is my favorite part, Murugan. So I always cherish this baby which she gave. In my tough times, I always remember her resilience. She's a doctor herself and the way she balances her work and personal life. And I won't forget the days you went me in tough times. I always admire her and I always cherish her.
அந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன் அவங்க கடைசியா அட்டன் பண்ண ஃபங்க்ஷனை, அதுவும் என்னோட வளகாப்பு ஃபங்க்ஷன்ல அந்த சாரி ஷி வாஸ் வேரிங். ஸோ ரியலி தட் சாரி வந்து ரொம்ப ஸ்பெஷல் டு மீ. ஷி டாட் மீ டு ரெஸ்பெக்ட் மை பேரண்ட்ஸ் மோர் தென் ஹர் அண்ட் வி மிஸ் யூ அ லாட். I learned everything from her. You should have lived with us. The last time I should be with you at the end of the day.
Today I am wearing an outfit that was stitched from a saree me and my mother bought together. She is someone whom I can run to for any kind of challenge in my life. She is the emotional support I always have. Yeah, I just miss you. I just wish that we stayed close, nearer to each other even now.
என்னோட அம்மாவோட மேரேஜ் சரிங்களா. ஸோ நான் வந்துட்டு எதுவுமே யோசிப்பாங்க, டக்குன்னு எடுத்து கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. ஸோ அது வந்துட்டு ரொம்ப ஸ்பெஷல் பிகாஸ் யாருமே மேரேஜ் சாரியை கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க. ஸோ பட் எனக்காக கொடுத்தது ரொம்ப பெரிய விஷயம். ஸோ அதுதான் பேஷன்ஸ், டவுன் டு அர்த், எல்லாருக்கிட்டையும் அன்பாக அதுதான்.
My mother solely did my marriage. All credit goes to her. On that day she cried a lot and including me. So it's a special memory of that saree. Ami, I really love you and I'm very, very, very proud of you. She drafted my path. She supported me in every part of my life. And I know she is proud of me. She was very, very bold and she did many, many bold moves in her life. Without her, there is no point of her life. I love her a lot.
That was my first photo with my mother when I was a kid. My mother always said, the people whom you are going to interact, they might have 10 times of bad quality, but they have at least one good quality. You should see that and stay positive. So right now where I'm standing, it's all because of my mother. Every moment we spend with our parents is the best memory. I got that right from my mother. Quality like I'm also a dancer, I think. So I want to dance with her once again.
இந்த பர்டிகுலர் சாரி ஏதாவது கேட்கும்போது அவங்க யூஸ்வலாக யாருக்கும் கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க. பட் அது நான் கேட்டனால ஷி வாஸ் வெரி குட் வித்வுட் எனி டிஸ்டன்ஸ். அது அவங்களோட ஃபேவரட் சாரி. சண்டை போடுறதுலையும் பீக்கில் சண்டை போடுவோம், பார்த்துக்கிறதுலையும் வில் டேக் கேர் ஆஃப் ஈச் அதர் வெரி வெல். ஸோ அதனால ஆல் டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் இமோஷன்ஸ் டேஸ்டட் இருக்கும். எங்கள் அம்மாட்ட இருந்து கற்றுக்கிட்டது ஆல்வேஸ் திங்க் அவுட் ஆஃப் த பாக்ஸ். எல்லாரும் ஏதாவது ஒன்று பண்ணாங்கன்னா ஆல்வேஸ் யூ ட்ரை டு டூ சம்திங் டிஃபரெண்ட். இதுதான் அவங்க கொடுத்த மெசேஜ். ஸோ ஐ ஆல்வேஸ் ஃபாலோ.